Welcome everybody, my dear students. How are you? I am fine. I am Nur Muhammad, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Kaunia, Rangpur. I shall teach English second paper, class 8, Unit 9, Lesson 1. Now, we are going to see some text and pictures. Let's see. They say, inverted comma, we are happy. They said that they were happy. I love to sing. He says, inverted comma, I love to sing. He says that he loves to sing. What have you guessed by the image and text? Direct speech and indirect speech. Our today's lesson is direct and indirect speech narration part 1. Learning outcome. After studying this lesson, we will be able to define speech, identify the classification of speech, change speech from direct to indirect. What is speech? What do you do in leisure? I like to read books. Speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. Look at the sentences. Shipon said to me, inverted comma, I have done my duty. Shipon told me that he had done his duty. Speeches are classified into two kinds. Direct speech, indirect speech. Speech spoken directly by the speaker is direct speech. Speech spoken indirectly by another is indirect speech. He said to me, inverted comma, you are my best friend. There are two parts of a direct speech. He said to me, inverted comma, you are my best friend. He said to me, reporting verb out of inverted comma, you are my best friend, reported speech inside of inverted comma. Let's know the basics of speech oblique narration. There are three types of change in a reported speech. Number one, change of persons. Number two, change of tense, oblique narration. Number three, change of adverbs. Number one, change of persons. First person, dash, first part, oblique, subject of reporting verb. Second person, dash, second part, oblique, object of reporting verb. Third person, no change. He said, inverted comma, I am a student. He said that he was a student. Prompts, oblique, chart of personal pronoun. Person, three guys, first person, second person, third person. First person, subject I, object me, possessive adjective my, possessive pronoun mine. First person, subject we, object us, possessive adjective our, possessive pronoun ours. Second person, subject you, object you, possessive adjective your, possessive pronoun yours. Third person, subject he, object him, possessive adjective his, possessive pronoun his. Third person, subject she, object her, possessive adjective her, possessive pronoun hers. Third person, subject it, object it, possessive adjective its, possessive pronoun his. Third person, subject they, object them, possessive adjective their, possessive pronoun theirs. Change of tense, oblique, verbs. Direct, indirect. Present indefinite, past indefinite. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Past indefinite, past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. Past perfect, no change, that means past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous, no change, that means past perfect continuous. Shall, oblique, will, would, can, may, must, could, might, had to, do not, does not, did not. Sense of adverbs. Direct, indirect. This, oblique, those, that, those. Here, there. Today, that day. Tonight, that night. Yesterday, the previous day. Last night, the previous night. Last week, oblique, month, the previous week, oblique, month. Now, then, tomorrow, the next day, oblique, next week, the following day, oblique, week. How to convert assertive sentence into indirect speech. Subject plus said to plus object, subject plus told plus object, that reported speech with desirable change. He said to me, inverted comma, I am happy. He told me that he was happy. He said to me, inverted comma, I was sick. Direct speech. He told me that he had been sick. Indirect speech. Sohan said to the girl, inverted comma, I will meet you tomorrow. Direct speech. Sohan told the girl that he would meet her the next day. Indirect speech. Inverted comma, I go to school. Inverted comma close, he said. Direct speech. He said that he went to school. Indirect speech. Note: if the reporting verb is in present and future, there will be no change of the verb of reported speech. He says, inverted comma, I love my mother more than my life. He says that he loves his mother more than his life. Remember, universal truth will not be changed in indirect speech. My father said, inverted comma, evil always remains an evil. My father said that evil always remains an evil. Teacher said, inverted comma, the sun rises in the east. Teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Pair 1. Group 1 and 3. Make a list of the verbs and their changing forms in indirect speech. Group 2 and 4. Make a list of the adverbs and their changing forms in indirect speech. Homework. Change the following speech from direct to indirect. Father said to me, inverted comma, the earth moved round the sun. The man said to his son, inverted comma, you must obey your teachers. He said to me, inverted comma, I was there in 1995. He said, inverted comma, I saw a man yesterday. Inverted comma, I know you and your father. Inverted comma close, said the man to me. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.